Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to create and schedule reports in PulseGrowth. Just go to Reporting on your dashboard and click Create Report to begin. You can import data from dashboard, use a pre-built template, clone an existing report, or create one from scratch, which we'll do in this example. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a date range selector at the top. This sets the time frame for your widgets. For instance, you can view data from the 1st to the 8th of the month or adjust it to any period you prefer. Now let's add widgets to your report. You can use the suggested ones at the bottom or click plus add new widget to add your own. For example, if I want to see how many contacts were added to my account in the last 7 days, I'll select contacts, then add a widget for contact count and hit save. Once you save it, you can also apply conditions to any widget. To do that, click on Add Condition and start defining your filters. For instance, if you'd like to see contacts created who have a specific tag or follower, simply add that condition and click Save. You can even apply multiple conditions to the same widget if you need a more refined view of your data. Let's move on and add another widget, this time for incoming calls by status. Again, you can apply conditions if needed and then hit Save. Next, let's add a meta ads widget like amount spend. By default, the metric will show as sum of spend, but you can easily change it to any other metric that better suits your needs. For example, sum of website purchases, sum of ad clicks, or average cost per conversion. You also have the flexibility to override the date range for a specific widget so it doesn't have to follow the main report's time frame. This is especially useful when you want to take a closer look at how a specific campaign or period performed compared to the rest of your data. Let's add one more widget, total revenue. The default metric will be sum of revenue, and once again, you can add any conditions you'd like before saving. After you've added all the widgets you want, it's time to schedule your report. To do that, click on Send or Schedule. Then, choose how often you'd like this report to be sent. For example, weekly. In this case, we'll set it to go out every Monday at 10 a.m. Next, fill out the From Email field, add your report subject line, and select the recipients who should receive the report. Once everything looks good, click Save and Schedule to finalize your report. That's it, your report is ready. The selected recipients will automatically receive it by email every Monday at 10 a.m., giving them an instant overview of your weekly performance. For more detailed guides and tutorials, visit our support portal or contact our team at connect@pulsegrowth.io.